Let's go over the ins and outs of how to become a seller on the Assistant Pro Community Marketplace. The seller feature is only available for team and personal plan users. So if you have a free plan, you will need to upgrade before you can become a seller. And you can either create an Express seller account or a standard seller account. Express accounts will create an Assistant Pro specific dash that will just show your sales from Assistant Pro. If you're already a Stripe user and have other types of Stripe accounts, a standard account will put your Assistant Pro seller information in your universal dash with your other accounts. If you're outside the US, an Express account will not work for you. Folks outside the US need to use standard accounts. I'm going to go ahead and create an Express account. If you're going to be creating a standard account, no worries. It's going to be more or less the same process. So from the account page, navigate to Seller Account. The first step is to fill out your application here on the Seller Account tab. And now it's sending me to Stripe to set up my payment details. And I'll just fast forward through this section. It's just asking me all the typical questions you might expect. And now I've been redirected back to Assistant Pro and I have access to my Stripe dashboard from my Assistant Pro Seller Account tab. And Stripe also sent me an email asking me to confirm my seller account. So now I'm going to head back over to the libraries page and post one of my libraries for sale. So I'm going to add this library to the marketplace for sale for $1 just to demo for you how to sell marketplace items. So here under the settings tab, we're going to toggle this to be a public library. Now we have the option to list it for sale and name our sale price. And the same thing can be accomplished from our Assistant plugin in WordPress. Just navigate to the library that you want to sell in the marketplace, click on settings, and there you can toggle the visibility to public and set your marketplace price. Now we can see this library for sale from the community app on the WordPress plugin. And we can also see it for sale on the community page of the Assistant Pro Cloud Dash. Because I'm the owner of this library, I see this button here, View in Libraries, that takes me back to the library in my Cloud Dash. I'm going to show you what this looks like on another account that I have, so you can see what it will look like to other users. Instead of saying View in Libraries, it says Get Library for $1, and then I can enter my payment information here. And that's it.